Fuck. Here, let me up. Here, fight fair, you fuck face. Let me up. Come on then. Apple, go. Get up. Fight. You fight like a big fucking pussy possum anyway. Come on. Can't even hit. What's that? You don't wanna fuck around, bro. Yeah, I just escaped from the zoo. I'll smash you, bud. The zoo, yeah. Yeah. See that? They call me Kangaroo Son. Lucky hit. Yeah. Fuck, Fred. I'm gonna get my mom for you, you motherfucker.
Anh đi mua kiến á, người ta nói cái kiến này nó có cái lớp gì á, anh đeo vô thì anh mới biết đó là lớp dưa.
Alright, bud, so I figured, you've gone through a lot lately. Mom painted your bed and all that stuff. We wanted to go to the store and get you your very own pizza. What do you think?
Oh, that's a great idea. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. I'm so excited for my own pizza. What topping did you get? I don't even care, actually.
Here you go, bud. Ready?
What? Gotcha. Actually, I'm impressed. That's a good prank, Dad. I'm not even mad.
You're really not?
No, I am, you jerk. What your face?
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!